I feel like I'm about to get the giggles.
That's the
Yeah. So you teach global warming, but how can you teach something that doesn't exist?
Why do you think it doesn't exist?
Because 2014 was the hottest year in record. We're now 2020. So global warming hasn't happened for the last 6 years.
Global warming has been happening for the last 100 years. So just because you're looking at the last 6 years doesn't mean it's not happening.
Well, I mean, if it happened for 100 years and then it stopped, then what's the problem?
Well, there's a lot of variability. So I can say natural variability that happens from one year to the next. So just because there's a pause in the trend doesn't mean it's not going to recover at some point and carry on going up.
So there's natural variability. So you're saying that climate changes naturally?
Climate does change naturally. But
Thank you. That's exactly the point I was trying to make.
Yay! What a point, John.
Scientists have put numbers on the various factors contributing to the climate and how it's changing. And when we look at things like the sun, we can see that the variability in which it can induce over the timescales, the last 100 years, it's actually a relatively small factor compared to other things like the carbon dioxide that we've emitted and how that's trapping the energy from the sun.
But the numbers that the scientists have created were just faked because they're just doing it for the money.
Oh my God.
You make money for being a scientist, so for being a climate scientist, so it's in your financial interest to promote a climate scam.
No, not really actually. So I would become famous overnight if I were to publish an article showing that climate change wasn't real. And if all the scientists agree with that evidence, then yeah, I would get a Nobel Prize for that. So it lands up being a peer-reviewed process where if I say something that doesn't stand up and doesn't hold up, I will be shut down instantly.
1 point, Natalie.
That's